Welcome to the Netlogo web interface. To get started, make sure that you have opened the correct model. You can select your model from this drop-down menu or by uploading a file. Once you've uploaded the correct model, you'll most likely see a black square. This is the environment where the action or simulation will take place. When you click Setup, agents or turtles will most likely appear on your world. Nothing will happen until you click Go. Notice the round arrow button. This means that the Go button will loop its instructions until you stop it. Here I can click the Go button. My agents start doing their behavior in the world, and when I click it again, it stops. Depending on your model, you may have more than just the Setup and Go buttons. Additional tools are known as widgets. You may have, for example, a slider. You can adjust the slider by pulling the slide back and forth or by clicking up and down near the value display. Here we also have another button. Depending on the button, it may make sense to add during the Go process or the setup process. So that's something that you may want to play around with. Additionally, you can see in this example that we have a data box, a graph, and an additional button. In the case of this model, this button only works when you click the Record pH button after adding base. Some of these models may be very complex and have some pretty in-depth instructions. So in order to access that information, you can look at the Model Info. Scroll down to the bottom of the model, and you'll see that the Model Info tab has lots of information about how the model works, why it was designed, and how to use it. In this case, there are instructions for pressing Go, what the vol base slider means, and how to use the Record pH button and corresponding graph. Have fun exploring the widgets by changing their values and looking at the different monitors to see what effect you have in your model. You're on your way to becoming computational scientists.